Create an account using the link in the description or go directly to Pikzels.com. Currently, the service is free to try, so it's worth taking advantage of. Once you've created an account, you'll land on the homepage. The interface is very simple, and here you can create thumbnails in two ways, by entering a prompt or using the Recreate feature. Let's go through both methods. First, let's look at how to create a thumbnail using a prompt. Enter in the text field what kind of thumbnail you want. Below the Generate button, you'll see how many credits your request will cost, and in the top right corner, you can view the number of credits remaining on your account. Once the image is generated, you can choose to download it, redo it, which costs 10 credits, or edit it, which also costs 10 credits. You can also use the face swap feature, but we'll come back to that later. If you're not satisfied with the result, click Redo to quickly generate a new version. If the results are close what you're looking for, click Edit. Here you can type what you want to change. Now this is pretty good. Once you're happy with the image, you can download it to your computer. Next, let's look at how the Recreate feature works. This is where things goes crazy. Go back to the homepage and click New Chat. Select Recreate. This feature is great if you want to draw inspiration from a video and create your own version of its thumbnail. So let's grab some link from YouTube. This looks good. Open video and copy the link from address bar. Paste the video link into the field and choose how closely you want the thumbnail to resemble the original. You can choose from 3 levels: low, medium, and high. Let's try medium. The program creates a thumbnail that is almost identical to the original. If you want a less similar version, you can try the low setting. Now here is more variation. You can play with this as much as you like, but remember that every edit will eat up credits. Finally, let's explore the face swap feature. If you've created a thumbnail that has someone else's face on it, but want to replace it with your own, this feature can help. Click Face Swap, upload the thumbnail to the top field, and your face to the bottom field. The thumbnail I'm editing is this, and here's the face I want to replace it with. Upload the files and click Generate. The results will be better if the original and new faces are similar. In my case, we went from this to this just in few seconds without any editing. And that's, my friend, is pretty impressive. This is how you can easily create and edit thumbnails with Pikzels. Go give it a try yourself and let us know what you think.